today's video, we're here at the Sheraton Waikiki. That street right in front of us is Kalākaua Avenue, which is the main street here in Waikiki. So for today's video, we are checking out the Sheraton Waikiki, which is nestled in between the Halekulani Hotel and the Royal Hawaiian Hotel as well. Now, Halekulani Hotel is oceanfront, Sheraton Waikiki is oceanfront, and the Royal Hawaiian is also oceanfront. Royal Hawaiian Hotel is the one that is known for its signature pink color, and in today's video, we are going to be walking through the common areas of the hotel itself to give you a little bit of a walkthrough of what the hotel actually looks like. In the video, we are not going to be going to any of the hotel rooms. We're just checking out the main common areas, the pool area. To my right hand side of here, we have the Honolulu Coffee Company, which is a coffee shop. It is closed right now, however, will be open tomorrow morning. We've also got the Aloha Landing bus depot to my right hand side. At the time of this filming, it is the first week of December, so as you'll notice, there's a lot of Christmas decorations. Over here we have the sand sculptures, which is what the Sheraton is known for. Super lifelike. We have Santa Claus on the right hand side. We'll head into the main area here. So if you were to check in, over here on my left hand side is their valet entrance where you would normally check into the Sheraton Waikiki Hotel. And over here is their main lobby area. To my right hand side over here are some of their shops that are over here. We've got Oli Oli, which is a tour desk. There's also the Hawaii Pacific Hilton Sheraton Straub Doctors on Call. So if you do need any medical services, light medical services, we also have a Straub Doctors on Call here on the ground level. We're gonna head to the main area where you would normally check in here at the hotel and then also showcase the pool again and also one of their main restaurants. Rumfire is one of their main restaurants here in Waikiki. We're gonna go a little bit this way because it's getting a little bit noisy. So we'll loop back around this main area and we'll come to the main front desk area. Again, Sheraton property is an oceanfront property. So just checking out a little bit of their lobby and their foyer area. You can see the Royal Hawaiian over here on my left-hand side. They've got their trees lit up red and green for the Christmas colors. There's also an Avis here to my right-hand side, so if you do need a car rental, there is an Avis here on property at the Sheraton Waikiki. Gorgeous ocean views right in front of us. Lots of lounge-style seating over here as well. They have a pool table on my left-hand side, and then we're going to loop back around to the main front section area where they have the check-in desk when you check in here at the Sheraton. A few other shops, Aloha store here. My right hand side, we also have the cookie corner, good for souvenirs or if you just have a sweet tooth. And then we'll loop over here to the main front entrance of the hotel again where you would check in. On my left hand side over here is their concierge and tour desk if you need to purchase any tours or activities. And then again over here is going to be the front desk area where if you were to check in here at the Sheraton Waikiki, this is where you would normally check in at. You can see some of their Christmas decorations here on the right hand side. A jewelry store here on your right. And then we'll head to the main foyer area, pointing out a few of their other shops that are here on property. On my left-hand side over here is the Nectar Bath Treats on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side over here, we have Just Fun Socks. There's also a small business center for computer usage on the right-hand side. On the left, a clothing store. On the right, a small art gallery. There's also Lawson Station over here on the right, which looks like a sundry store if you need any souvenirs, snacks, drinks. Chapel hats on my left-hand side over here. To my left is going to be Rumfire, their main restaurant here on property. We're going to loop past that, show you what their pool looks like, and then loop back around to the Rumfire restaurant. On the right is a secondary Honolulu Coffee Company. Over here on the right-hand side, open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. There's also a brick oven pizza. On the right-hand side, Hapa's Pizza. And then over here is their main pool area. So as you can see on the right-hand side, gorgeous infinity pool. Beautiful area over here. And the pool hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're going to loop around to check out the Edge, which is one of their bars over here on property. Sunset is super gorgeous. And again, Hapa's Pizza over here. And they also have Kai Market on this side as well. Edge Bar is to my left-hand side. We're going to head over there to show you a little bit of what that looks like. Overall, gorgeous oceanfront property. So the Edge, it looks like it's only open 11:30 till 5 p.m. and unfortunately it is closed now, but we'll still take a little bit of a look so you can see what it looks like if you were to have lunch here. And same as the other hotel tours, you don't have to be a hotel guest, of course, to dine at their restaurant. So we'll walk past over just to show you what the view looks like. Super gorgeous. They have lunch, cocktails, and it looks like live entertainment from 1 to 4 p.m. So beautiful views over here on the right-hand side. You can see the last little bit of sunset just over here to the right. Super gorgeous views. All right, we're gonna go ahead and walk back up by the main pool area. Also, if you were to do any snorkel tours or boat tours, there's one that pulls up right in front of the hotel, the Mai Tai catamaran. Overall, gorgeous property. If you'll look up here, a lot of these beautiful properties are going to have those gorgeous ocean views to be able to catch sunset. Beautiful property. The only drawback though is it doesn't have as much of a beach right in front of it, so instead you'll have the infinity pool. However, Waikiki Beach in general, easy place to swim. There's different areas along the Waikiki Beach stretch where you can also rent beach chairs and umbrellas, so you can overlook this pool area. Beautiful, beautiful area. Lots of pool loungers, and they also have on the left-hand side those red cabanas as well. So again, the two main restaurants we passed by were either the Edge, which is only open until 5 o'clock, and on my left-hand side over here, we also have Rumfire. We're gonna pop inside of Rumfire and show you guys a little bit of what that looks like. So for Rumfire, it is a lounge and a restaurant. They also have live entertainment. We can take a look at their schedule over here. Sunday through Thursday, 6 to 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 4:30 to 7:30 and 8 to 10:30. We're just gonna walk into the main restaurant, the main bar area on the right-hand side. And then they also have oceanfront seating, which is over here on the right. It looks like completely open air. That's gonna be over here. We'll take a loop along this main area. So again, this is the Rumfire Bar and Restaurant. We'll walk out this way to show you guys a little bit of the view. So still gorgeous ocean views to our right. Beautiful sunset. Okay, we'll loop back around the end of the Rumfire Hotel. Oh, sorry, sorry. So still ocean views, and again, this is an open air restaurant, so you have these glass windows that slide. And then we're gonna walk out to the main entrance, or the main exit of the hotel over here. Oh, looks like it's closed. So this is the main room for air. This area would typically be open for any dining, and then in front of us is gonna be the pool area. All right, we're gonna loop back around to show you guys the pool. So we'll head up to these main steps. So again, this is the Rumfire Restaurant, oceanfront restaurant here at the Sheraton Waikiki. This is their main set of elevators if you're staying here at the Sheraton. This is where you would catch the elevators to your room. And this property, it seems, is a bit noticeably more busy. So we'll head this way. A few more shops. Swimwear over here to my left. Nail salon over here on my right. Baskin Robbins. Get some ice cream, maybe after filming. And this is over here, the second pool. So the first pool that we showed you guys earlier is their infinity pool. And this is their secondary pool. So as you can see on my left, lots of loungers over here. Huge pool area. Also ocean views, cabanas at the far left corner. There's a slide on my left. And then we have a few different depths for the pool as well. Overall first impressions, beautiful property. Spoiler, I've actually been here many, many times. The Sheraton often has their New Year's Eve celebration here. So I've actually been at this exact property a few times, but this is the first time that I've actually taken a full walkthrough of the property. And pardon the wind, so if you hear a little bit of crackling on the mic, it's because of the wind, as you can see, as my hair is blowing everywhere. If you like this video and want to see other Waikiki walkthroughs, check out our playlist, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for other Waikiki hotel walkthroughs. And in the next coming months, we'll also check out some other hotels, show you guys the rooms, oceanfront city view, and so forth. Until the next one, guys, bye. Right across from us is the Kalākaua Avenue, which, one more time please.